How to transfer money from Gcash to bank account. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the step-by-step process on how you will be able to transfer your money from Gcash to a bank account. So as you can see here on our screen, we're currently in Gcash, and what you're going to do is you're going to select this button or option transfer beside the load and beside the bills option at the top. And this will show us bank transfer, and in this section, this is where we will be able to see and connect to all the different bank accounts that we would like to transfer to. So we have all of these options available for us over here. You can simply select one that you want and that you need and input the necessary information. Or you could also scan or upload a bank QR code, which will make things much quicker and much efficient and much faster to finish. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.